The purpose for this video is to show you the Quick Start program on the KE2 Evaporator Efficiency controller from KE2 Solutions and install it with an electronic expansion valve that's already in the menu list of the Quick Start menu. When you first power up the KE2 Evaporator Efficiency controller out of the box, it's going to ask you for the room temperature set point. For our example, we're going to use a -5 freezer. So as you can see, one of the digits is flashing to be changed on the initial setup. You scroll over to the other digits, the ones you want to change, characters if you will, and change it to the value you wish it to choose. Again, I'm going to choose -5 for this setup. Once you've got your temperature readout as you like it, push and hold the enter key down for 3 seconds. The next step is to choose the defrost mode for the application. There's 3 options. You have electric defrost, air defrost, and hot gas defrost. For this application example, we're going to give an electric defrost system. Again, push and hold the enter key down once you've selected the proper defrost. The third and last option you have is the expansion valve type. You can use a mechanical expansion valve or one of the variety of electronic expansion valves in the menu, or a custom electronic expansion valve. In this example, we're going to use one of the electronic expansion valves already listed in the menu. So for our example, we're going to use an SER valve, which is a Sporlan expansion valve. Once you have that valve selected, we push and hold the enter key down again for 3 seconds. After that, since we're going to be controlling the superheat of the electronic expansion valve, we'll also have to choose the type of refrigerant that's in the system. This particular application is an R22 application that we're going to use. So scroll to R22. Again, push and hold the enter key down for 3 seconds. At that point, the setup process is complete. It goes back to the room, displays the room temperature set point. You can see that it's in cooling mode by the green LED. Also, during the installation process, to verify once you've installed the temperature sensors, to verify that you have the air temperature sensor installed, in the air stream in the right place, and the coil sensor in the coil, the quick and easy thing to do is to grab the air temperature sensor and hold on to it. You should see the readout on the display increase, obviously, in temperature as you touch it. That way you can ensure that you do have the proper sensor in the proper location as far as the air sensor in the airstream, the coil sensor on the coil.